If you're wondering whether ClickFunnels or Elementor is the best landing page software for your business, you're in the right place. Both tools promise to help you create high-converting landing pages, but they approach it in very different ways. So, which one should you choose for your needs? Stick around, because we'll dive deep into both of them, comparing features, pricing, and ease of use to help you make the best decision. First, let's talk about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has been around for years and is a go-to choice for marketers who need an all-in-one solution. It's designed for people who want to build entire sales funnels, not just landing pages. So, if you're someone who's looking to sell products, run webinars, or manage an email sequence, ClickFunnels has you covered. The drag-and-drop builder is pretty straightforward, and it comes with built-in tools for everything from payment processing to email integrations. Next, the pricing. ClickFunnels is not cheap. The basic plan starts around $147 a month. That's a significant cost for someone just looking to create landing pages, and unless you need a full sales funnel suite, it might feel like you're paying for features you don't need. On the flip side, you're getting a lot for that price: funnels, emails, and even an affiliate marketing system, which could save you money if you want all of that in one place. Now, let's switch gears and look at Elementor. Elementor is one of the best-known WordPress page builders, and its landing page capabilities are solid. You get a drag-and-drop editor that allows for more customization compared to ClickFunnels. It integrates with WordPress, so if you're already using it, Elementor might be the easier fit. Plus, you don't need to worry about recurring subscription fees like ClickFunnels. Elementor has a free version that comes with a ton of great features, and the pro version is much cheaper, starting at around $59 per year. The catch? Elementor is only useful if you're using WordPress. So if you're not already on WordPress, you'd have to migrate your site over, which could take time and effort. Also, while Elementor gives you more design flexibility, that could be a double-edged sword for beginners. It doesn't have the same pre-built sales funnel templates as ClickFunnels, so you'll have to put more time into customization. Next, let's talk about ease of use. If you're a complete beginner, ClickFunnels is incredibly easy to use, but it might feel a bit rigid when you want more creative freedom. It's got tons of templates, but you're somewhat limited when it comes to customization. On the other hand, Elementor offers much more freedom, but with that comes a bit of a learning curve. The more design flexibility you have, the more you need to understand how to use it. So, Elementor's ease of use depends on your level of experience. Now, let's compare the support. ClickFunnels offers decent customer support with email and live chat options. However, many users report long wait times, especially during peak hours. Elementor, in contrast, has a large and active community, along with support tickets and a knowledge base. But once again, if you're using the free version, your support options are more limited. The next thing to consider is scalability. If you plan to grow a big business with multiple products or funnels, ClickFunnels might be the better option simply because it's built for that kind of growth. You can easily scale with different funnels, upsells, and integrations. Elementor, however, is more suited for people who just need a solid landing page that integrates into an existing website, but it can be less robust for large-scale marketing efforts. So, after trying both, which is better? Well, it really comes down to your specific goals. If you want a simple, no-fuss way to build landing pages with a complete funnel system, ClickFunnels is a great choice. But if you want full design control and are already on WordPress, Elementor might be a more affordable and flexible option. That said, both of these tools are solid, but there's actually a better alternative out there for landing page creation. After testing ClickFunnels and Elementor myself, I found that there's a more streamlined option for people who want high-converting landing pages with less complexity and better value. If you're looking for a better alternative, take advantage of the free trial of the software linked in the description. By using the link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. This could be just what you need to take your landing page game to the next level. Check it out and let me know what you think.